Hey, today we're going to talk about percent composition or percent abundance. And so first of all, percent composition. But what they're really going to ask you on the regions is they're going to ask you for the abundance. In other words, the relative abundance or how much of something there is. So for this formula for percent composition, you need to go to table T. And table T states that percent composition by mass equals mass of the part over mass of the whole times 100%, which, okay, times 100. It's in table T. So we're going to look up something really simple, and we're going to do the abundance of hydrogen in water. So, percent abundance. First of all, we have to figure out the part and the whole. So we're going to go through and we're going to annotate this question. First of all, percent abundance of hydrogen. This is the part. Water is the whole. Now, when we say the percent abundance of hydrogen in water, we're actually looking for the gram formula mass and the atomic mass or the formula mass of hydrogen. So we have formula mass of hydrogen. And we look up at the water. How many hydrogens do we have present in that water? H2O. That's right. We have 2 hydrogens times each hydrogen is 1 gram each equals 2 grams. Now, let's do the formula mass of oxygen. And we're going to look at our original equation, H2O. So we're looking for the oxygen contribution. We have 1 oxygen, this is the number 1, that's the letter O, times 16 grams, and I got this from the atomic mass. 1 times 16 is 16 grams. So the whole water totals 18 grams. We're not done yet. Because what we need to do is we need to figure out what contribution hydrogen is playing. So the abundance of hydrogen in water, we're going to take the part that is hydrogen, that goes over here on the top, over the mass of the part over mass of the whole. The whole was all of H2O. So 2 over 8. Which element has a higher percent abundance by mass in NaCl? Okay, so we're looking between sodium and chlorine. Which element is going to have a higher percent abundance? So again, we need to have mass of the part over mass of the whole times 100. Now we're going to look up sodium chloride. First of all, we need to figure out the gram formula mass of NaCl. That is the whole. So this is sodium. There is 1 sodium present here. So it's 1 times the mass, which is 23 grams. That is 23. Chlorine. We have 1 times the mass, which is 35.45. So I'll say it is 35 grams. It is 35. Total them up. That is 58. So 58 equals the whole. Now we got to figure out which one has a higher percent composition or percent abundance in this fraction. So we're going to do mass of the part. This is part 1, this is part 2. Mass of the part over mass of the whole. So we have sodium, which is 23 over 58. Or we have chlorine, which is 35 over 58. Now you should all be able to figure this out just in your heads. It doesn't ask for an actual percentage. It's just saying which element has a higher percent abundance. So which one of these two numbers is bigger? Figured it out? Yes. Chlorine has a higher percent abundance in sodium chloride.